Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour, where I share tutorials on how to spin your own yarns, dye your own fibre and yarn, and weave. In tonight's video, I am going to be doing a custom order. I will share a small snippet of how to spin this type of yarn, but majority of it will be me just spinning it up and sharing how beautiful it is. Now this is one of my signature yarns. It's going to have a little bit of going on, 3 different types of fibre, or 2 types of fibre, 3 different colors, and 3 types of fibre, sorry, and 4 different colors. So we've got some green viscose, which I'm going to glaze over the top, and then I'm going to add strips of this orange. This is a merino silk, both of them. So there's a brighter orange. I'm going to strip this up into thinner sections, and then the base color, which is a beautiful soft orange and pink with a little bit of yellow for majority of it. And then I will be floor spinning beautiful premium Angora mohair locks on top of it. So this has got a little bit going on. It is an advanced skill because you've got to have good hand-eye coordination. It is my design yarn and my signature yarn, which means it is my signature yarn is for the love of color and texture. All my signature yarns are finished with a premium kid mohair lock, core spun over the top of a beautiful colored yarn. So this one is called Grevillea, this colorway. It is to go with a Grevillea colored yarn that I had dyed for last year's Soft Yarn Club. So it will match this, and it will be woven with the full 100 skein that I sold the buyer before Christmas. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy this one. Please give this a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. I do have quite a few videos already available on my channel, sharing lots of different techniques. I do go more into this type of yarn in some other videos. If you want to go through and have a look at them, they will be the luxury handspun art yarn playlist. And let's get into it. There's a lot going on, and I'm doing a glaze as well, so I'm going to add some locks, and it's a core spun, so I place my finger underneath the spun bit, single, and I put the lock in between my finger and the single, and then start spinning. It will catch. You've got to keep an eye on this part here, otherwise it gets too thick. And I'm going to move it down and draft it as I spin the locks on there. Like so. Then I grab some of the viscose and the same thing, except I'm trying to get it as thin as possible and glazing very finely, because you still want to see the colors underneath it. And I just continue.